Hello, CS108. My name is Steve Klein, and I'll be your instructor this session. Today, I'd like to talk about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the first Microsoft Office product that you're going to learn in detail. PowerPoint enables you to create slideshow presentations. Now, slideshow presentations allow you to project items onto a screen while you give some kind of speech or presentation to somebody. It also enables you to create things that people can watch on their own screen, so you don't always use PowerPoint just to deliver some kind of presentation. It's also a very good way of delivering material to people who just want to see it even on their own. PowerPoint is the first of 3 Microsoft Office products that we learn in CS108. The other 2 are Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Word enables you to create text documents or text-based documents. It's a very powerful program with a lot of features, but most people have used some kind of word processing program to type up papers or something. We're going to get to see some of the muscle of that program in addition to its regular features. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. If you've never worked with a spreadsheet, what that enables you to do is to put data into a grid and manipulate the data and do all kinds of interesting stuff with it. You'll learn more about that later in the course. These 3 products are very powerful office productivity products, and basically what they let you do is complete any kind of assignment that you might be assigned when you're in college or beyond college in your work. So any kind of standard office problem where you have to create a document or display something for somebody or generate some kind of data, these 3 products will enable you to do that. The nice thing about learning about them in CS108 is that you not only get to see the regular features, which anybody can sort of learn just by doing the program a little bit and writing up something, stuff like bold-facing and underlining. These things are important, but what's nice about 108 is you learn a lot of advanced features. You also learn a lot of shortcuts and tips and tricks that really help you get the most out of these products. So I'm excited when people learn these because it really does help the way they put together assignments throughout their academic careers and even beyond. I use these 3 products all the time at work. Now, at this point, I'd like to interrupt the regular broadcast to give you this video's secret word. The secret word for this video is lightsaber, because I'm a geek and lightsabers are awesome. And I'm glad I don't have one because I probably have cut my own head off with one, but whatever. Now, that being said, let's move on. As you can see on the screen, I have PowerPoint active, and I'm on the opening initial screen. This initial screen has a large number of templates and themes that you can select from. So you can pick one of these, and it will automatically generate a PowerPoint presentation, the beginning of one anyway, with that as your theme. I'm going to start by picking Circuit. When I hit Circuit, it brings up some options so I can get the different background colors using this interesting little layout, and I can click Create, or I can double click to get it started. And when it gets started, it started to generate a PowerPoint presentation for me. I have one slide over here in my list of slides, and I can click to add a title or a subtitle. And so let's go ahead and click and add a title. The title is usually something very important. So let's type up something very important. And so there we go, a message everybody wants to hear. So it's good to be the teacher. And so let's create a subtitle just to drive home the point. And there we go. If I were just to create a standard PowerPoint presentation, I would add some more slides and maybe bullet points and text and maybe even a few graphics, which is nice. But one thing I like about PowerPoint is you have a lot of relatively fancy features. One of my favorite is to animate different items. So I can animate the title so that it zooms in when you click, whoosh, or it can swivel around when it appears. So it'll come in to the presentation swinging around. Bouncing is kind of fun. And then my favorite, though, is probably grow and turn, where it kind of flies in. You can arrange these so that they show up in different orders. You can add sound effects, all kinds of interesting items. And that's just really the beginning. I hope that you learn a lot and get a lot out of the lessons in PowerPoint, and good luck in the semester. See you around.